Do you want to know how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Brave browser and go to google.com and then search for PHH Mortgage. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or simply click login, which you can see over here. After you click it, it will take you to this page over here where you can see that you can enter your username and password. Now, to log into your PHH Mortgage account, write down your PHH username and your password which you had set. Then click login. This way you can successfully log into your PHH Mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and then you can retrieve back your password or your account back again. I hope this video about how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.